Hi everybody, welcome to the study guide for quiz number 1. So I'm going to go through some of the problems that are in your study guide. So hopefully if I go through some of them, then you'll be able to do all of them. But be prepared to come to class on your block day and we'll go over any questions you have on the before we start taking the quiz. Okay, here's number 7. So here we're trying to solve for z. And whenever we have to solve for a variable, we use cross multiplication. So here we're going to solve for z, and we're going to use the cross multiply technique. And that'll hold true in any types of problems that you see that are like this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply 3 times 7. And we're going to set that equal to 1 times 2z. 1 times 2z plus 1. Sorry, I forgot the plus 1. So 3 times 7 is 21. We distribute the 1 over the 2z and the other 1, and we get 2z plus 1. So we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. I'm going to do this quickly. 20 equals 2z. Divide both sides by 2. And we get 10 is equal to z. Now we can check to make sure that we're right. And on a quiz or a test, you probably want to do this. So all we do is we plug the 10 into the z. So I have 3 over 2 times 10 plus 1 equals 1 over 7. Okay, 2 times 10 is 20 plus 1 is 21 equals 1/7. And pretty clearly these are equal because if I multiply 3 times 7, I will get 21. Okay, so the answer then is 10 equals z, and I've checked it and I know it's correct. Okay, let's try the next one. Okay, so again, we're going to cross multiply. We're looking for a, and notice there's an a here and an a there on both sides of the equality sign, but that's okay. So we're just going to keep cross multiplying. So let's do the first pair. Okay, 6 times a minus 3 equals, we'll do the second pair, 2 times 2a minus 1. Okay, we distribute the 6 over the a and the negative 3, so you get 6a minus 18. Don't forget about your negative sign there. Equals 2 times 2a is 4a, minus 2 times 1 is 2. So let's put the variables on the left side. So I'm going to subtract 4a from both sides. That leaves me with 2a minus 18 equals minus 2. Again, don't forget that minus 2. So I'm going to leave 2a on this side. We're going to add 18 on both sides. This goes away. We get positive 18 plus a minus 2 is 16, and a is equal to 8. So now we're going to check. We're going to substitute the 8 in for a. 8 there. Okay, so we have 8 minus 3 over 2 equals 2 times 8 minus 1 over 6. That's 5 over 2 equals 16. 2 times 8 is 16 minus 1 is 15. over 6. Okay, so 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 3 is 6, so we know that these are equivalent fractions. Another way we could check that out is we could cross multiply. 5 times 6 equals 2 times 15, 30 equals 30. Okay, so they are equivalent fractions, so our answer is A is equal to 8.